Hello, welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Have you kissed and hugged your baby today? Your fur babies today? If not, give it one from Mickey and I. Today we're gonna do a post review of DIY diamond painting craft from 3 companies. And one of them, I never thought it was gonna be quite a bit practical. So I hope everybody's doing okay during this week. Welcome to the new subscribers, okay? So the first one we're gonna do is digital art. These are purses. These are keychains, and I find them. Hold on just a moment, and I find that they're cute, and look at how shiny they turn out. This is in red and they're done on both sides. This is in pink. And this is in yellow. No, there's one more color, but I gotta tell you about that color. This is in blue. However, this one clear over here has an navy finish, but the clears over here, they were gonna be, just plain clear. But I wanted a blue purse, so I took out my stash and I put the blues on it. And look at how it turned out. These are neat to give to a girl that's going to college or high school, where they can put their IDs. You can also use them as a tag. Just don't put this part up, and then with a ribbon you tie it to a gift. So it doesn't have to be a keychain. The next 2 are from EVerydayecrafts. Here is some cute horses. However, one of this, the chain that it had, it didn't came with the little notch or thing, so you can hang it on it. So I couldn't do one of them, but still you can use it as a tag for a gift, or even you can make a pendant out of it. I never thought about that. You can make a pendant out of it, especially for the animal lovers, the marine animal lovers. These are seahorses. Look at how cute they are. You can give them as a gift. These are stuff that you can use as a, not the only gift, but it's like an addition to a gift. It's a practical thing. Look at these pink and purples. I like this one. Love this one. But this one, you can, maybe I will do a necklace later. I put it on a chain or something, and I'll show you. What I mean with that, because this part where you hook up, this part, move this a little bit. This part where you hook up the chain, it didn't came in the other one, just a plain chain. So that's one. Now remember, this is from EVerydayecrafts. Remember the punk style keychain? Look at how they came out. These are no mandalas. These are punk style. Steampunk, should I say. Look at how neat this came in. Let me check. I like them. They're very thick, so they're gonna be durable. Again, you can grab one of these and use it as a necklace too, as a steampunk necklace. Diamond painting a steampunk necklace. That sounds about right. You can look at this. They're already being sealed, so. And this is something you can slip in somebody's gift, you know. Or use it as a tag for a gift. So they are pretty neat. I'm sorry about that. I just practically got up. Now, the next two items, one is from EVerydayecrafts also, but this one is from GBFKE. This one, I got it because I want to write over here the events and everything. I was going to use it for the inventory of the DACs, but I'm going to use the other one, the black one that I have for a long time. And look at this. Ain't she cute, that mermaid? And it has it's a wire one, notebook, and it has for you to put what date of the week, the memo. You see, it tells you even to mark whether it is a sunny, cloudy, or rainy day, and the date of the week. And over here you can write, I don't know, a number or whatever, and the date. In between, you can even write the title of that page, like I'm planning to do for the Big Soccer Canvas 2022. This is where I'm going to write the rules, and so I can write them on Facebook and pin it to the top of my page. And it has quite a bit of pages. This is from GBFKE that I bought this. They have quite a few designs, and I like this one. Now, I want to show you something. This one is from EVerydayecrafts. This is one of those 3D DIY craft that you do, right? Look at how pretty it turned out after sealing it. You can take it apart if you're moving from one house and put it back in the box, which probably I'm gonna do because I hardly have no space. I cannot put it anywhere. But this could serve as decorating a girl's room, right? And everything. But you know, if you wanna buy a couple of them. But look at the practical thing that I just found out about this. You can use it to put letters. Let me see if I can get a better view so you can see it. Of course, you're not gonna put a whole bunch of letters like the letters of that week. Let's see, like I do. Sometimes I accumulate the letters from one week, and on the weekend I open it up and, you know, put aside when I'm gonna take care of it. You can either put the ones that you're gonna about to open and the ones that you're gonna you know, respond to it up front, but it's gonna cover the butterfly. But anyway, this could be, you know, a letter holder, correspondence holders. Or you can put, you know, I don't have over here, but you can put over here like those notepads and everything else like this. So there is practical uses for this, you know, and you can get your own design. Me, I like butterflies, so I decided to get this one. We got all those colors. So it's not another gadget to diamond paint. It's practical thing to use. Like I said, you can use it to put your letters, like I show you, or you can put a notepad or you know, one of those sticky notes pads that you use. Anything in between, but remember not to force it. Okay, it's not like you're gonna put the whole USPS distribution center in there. So just mind that, you know, these things are a little bit delicate and you can use it to decorate the room of your girl. So this is it for the post review of these few items that we have. I wanted to do this, and then they still the ones from AliExpress, the hairpins and the brush that I did. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, have much love and peace, and kiss your fur babies from Mickey and I. Bye.